Darkness and light, it has to be set, the frequency, the shades have to be set at a very specific opacity. So if the darkness is set at a very specific opacity and the light is set at a very specific opacity, this is what illustrates water, how water, and technically water is always a color because there's always something that's reflected from the water. So now you know that to illustrate water, you have to get into shades. It's a mixture of light and dark. Light and dark. You would notice that if you put a very mild version of darkness, if you took a dark shade and you implement a very mild version of that dark shade on, let's say, an object, you will notice from a digital standpoint, you will notice it creates a ripple effect. The color itself begins to ripple, and when you zoom out, you begin to see a three-dimensional illustration of the ripple effect in water on a two-dimensional surface, and it's a fascinating phenomenon.